Bini!
Please stay right here. Yes.
Dito sa gitna.
Are you ready for your question? Okay. Okay, your question is.
So, Aya, your question is from Jan Michael S. Ibo. Welcome home, our walo. Ano sa mga lugar na napuntahan nyo ang balak nyong balikan na magkakasama kayo?
Thank you for the question. All the places that we've been to, of course, it would be nice to go back to all of the places, cities or states. But for me personally, I would want to go back to Vancouver because that's where I met Imran, and knowing that that's my love language, and I would want to give that to the girls, and hopefully they will join me in running.
Wow! Wala na sagot, Nino?
Pasado yan. Pasado sa ating mga judges. Narinig na natin. Pasado ang kanyang sagot.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you. Hopefully for the next Bini run, lahat ng girls natin mag 21K. Sabi ni Kulit Kay, mukha mo. Maraming. Give it up for our candidate number 1, Bini Aya. Thank you.
Now we're next candidate. Tawagan naman natin si Bini Mika. Bini Mika, ready ka naman sa iyong question. Ako, napakahirap nito. From Jermaine Velasquez, syempre may mga natry kayo new food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya nang paulit-ulit nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80 and ribs and chips and I think.
Pasado, kaya iniisip ko na kanina kasi $80. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Give it up for Bini Mika. Tawagin naman natin one out of our humble. Let's go in, Bini Gwen!
Oh my gosh!
Ready, ah? Teka lang. May nagre-rehearse sa likod. May naghahanda. Grabe. Okay. Pero thank you so much for that beautiful walk, Gwen. Gwen, do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. Zero pressure.
Wonderful answer. Okay. Bini Gwen, your question is this.
From Nicola Ruth Matreo Papera. Can you share a behind-the-scenes story from the tour that us Blooms would be surprised to hear?
Oh.
Naglado ka ba, no?
Let me think. Okay, so minsan sa mga arena, kasi after ng concert, doon kami nililigo sa arena. And minsan, hindi ka nagkaraming, shower room. So, minsan yung girls, grabe sa tama na sila.
Ano nila natin?
Alam niyo natin, minsan nagsasabay-sabay kami maligo. Pero, okay lang yan. Babe, hindi minsan, buong tour namin. Pinipili sa mga nanain ko. Pero minsan kasi si Nico, hindi siya kasama. Walang dapat din si Gwen. Next world tour. These are homely goods. Only my house. Okay na daw yun.
Pero bakit? Kasi masaya na siya sa $80 stay niya. Okay, maraming salamat.
you so
Thank you
much.
for sharing.
Yan. Ito, next captain.
Ito, kanina pa lang
Next captain.
Kanina pa lang letters.
Sa malakasan.
To answer our next question. Bini
Our next candidate, Bini
Joanna!
Grabe ka naman mga letters.
Grabe si Master, pinapa-wait-wait tayo ba?
Oy.
Pero as long as na ito, hindi na ito makakapag-antay.
Oo.
From Regina Shane Santa Cruz. If you could go back the day one of your debut and whisper something to yourself, what would it be?
Whisper it, whisper it.
Ang ganda ng tanong.
Whisper. Hi Joanna. Keep your pure heart, your feet grounded, and you're stronger than you think. At mag-art workshop ka, please. Magpaturo ka mag-drawing. Kasi magaling naman mag-drawing yung papa ko eh, si Tito Boy. Ang magaling na mag-drawing, hindi ko alam ba't di mo nakuha. Pero ayun. Thank you. Hi Daddy, I love you.
Thank you so much.
Correct naman.
Talk about drawing.
Bini Joanna.
Arts. Right now,
Kasi pag nag-drawing ba ako, naninigas na yung daliri ko.
you know what, it's okay. Alam mo bakit? Kasi nung nabuo itong grupo ito, it is a masterpiece. Already. Kaya maraming salamat, Master. Thank you. Ano tawa natin, Bini Joanna? Again, reminder to our Bini Pasalubong winners sa mga nabili po ng randomizer again. Please proceed to the photo lobby and look for our staff na may hawak na placard na lucky blue winners later on. Now, let's go to Bini Malone!
I need an interpreter, please. Interpreter.
Interpreter. You can be our interpreter.
Randomizer?
Nag-randomizer. Okay, are you ready for your question, Bini Maloy?
I'm born ready.
Okay. Born ready.
So, Maloy, your question is from Georgette Portus. In an alternate universe, let's say you're not part of Bini, but rather a bloom. What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Bini?
If I am in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and ititrato ko yung Bini as humans. That's it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe, that was a heartwarming answer. Maloy, thank you. Eto na. Another half of Makulit. Bini Malone, Bini Malone!
Nakamadali lang itong question na ito. From Jose Maria Christian Dairy, what's an activity that you were only able to do on your Bini bus that you weren't able to do normally?
Wait. Aside sa mag-sort kami ng gifts, sa masigit na basta matulog kami ng straight 12 hours. Yeah, walang alarm, hindi kami ginigising. Gigisingin lang kami nasa venue na kami. Yeah, so, guys, kung nalilito ka, hindi na ako makapagsalita. Pero yun, makatulog kami ng 12 hours, like legit 12 hours. So, legit. Kahit umalog yung bus, wala kami nararamdaman.
Grabe.
I was telling the production, the record, and then the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mas big stars lang katulad ng Billy.
Yes, diba? Our superstars right here.
Or another star.
No, never. Especially to us groups. Definitely, we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tulong slide.
Thank you. Oh, ito na. Nagkakana na siya. So, tingnan natin. Our next candidate, Beanie Sheena. Welcome, President. Ang tanong, Sheena, kaya ba ba?
Sabi ko maharap.
Maharap lang.
Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kayo eh. So kailangan may world tour entrance.
Yes.
Okay, Sheena, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay, your question.
From Jana Marido. Out of all the songs that you performed during the world tour, what was your most favorite and why?
My favorite song to perform is Pantropico. Pantropico is my baby. And yun na kasi yung last song. So sa Pantropico, sobrang full out na namin. Pantropico.
Hey, sorry, nakikinig kami. Nakikinig kami. Akala ko na iba ko kung sabihin.
Yes, yun lang. I love Pantropico. Sobrang sarap niya sayawin. Nung yung world tour kasi iba yung focus sa mga park. So it's something new. Thank you!
Thank you. That's just say, grabe yung mga performance mo sa bawat pag-ataw mo, binibigay mo ng buong maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Beanie Sheena.
Sheena.
And last but not least, Stand Fans, sumigaw para sa ating candidate, Beanie Stacy! Tinitira na eh. Yung wala ng lulo. Diniretso eh. Beanie Stacy, yes?
Aray mo nga rin nakita naman. Eto na, from Jessie Marie family, Shaggy became talaga favorite of course during sa Tornado. What is the inspiration na gawin itong playful vibe and how did international audiences react to it?
Thank you so much, Mama Mia, for the wonderful question. Of course, we're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Filipino culture around the world. And it makes us super happy because, you know, Shaggy is not just a song or a game, it is something to be proud of. And we're this song allowed us to share the beauty of the game. You know, Shaggy, Shaggy, po. Basta ako sa'yo, hindi mo kaya to. Sisipihan ko ba para makagaya ka? Basta pagsili mo lang yung susunod na, pero but you can't dance like that. Thank you so much.
Grabe, no? Very emotional talaga. Grabe. Baka